Good morning. Got Tim out here with me today. Today is April 23rd, Tuesday. See what we can show you guys today. So stay tuned. Oh, yeah. Yeah. First one for the morning part. Let's get a pickup. Bloody bases make happy faces. Oh, yeah. Nice. Yeah. Let's go see if we can find some more. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Just picked up that one on that side, coming around this way. Happen to look up right here. Nice. Awesome. Let's go check it out. Some funky bull. Man, oh man. Check that base out. It's like bend it backwards. Nice. Well, let me get some pics and I'll get you guys a pickup. Oh yeah. Some two so far. Let's get a pickup. Funky. Yeah. Scraping it off or something. It's pretty neat. Oh yeah. Got some weight to it too. Nice. Well, let's see if we can match them up and let's go find some more. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So I'm walking up right here. Oh yeah. Stuck in the ground. Ties down. Yeah. Match. Yeah. Left side. I don't know, that one might be a little bigger. Let me get some pics of this bad boy and get you guys a pickup. Oh yeah, 3 so far. Oh, that one looks kind of smaller than that other one. Let's get a pickup for you guys. Nice. The rag. Little bit of blood. Bloody bases make happy faces. Oh yeah. Awesome. let's see if we got 3 to match up. So let's see if we can try to match them up. If not, let's go find some more. Thank you, thank you, thank you. It's coming right here. Fixing to head back up on the side. Look down. Oh man, look at that big old bad boy. Yeah. Let's go check it out. Dang, the third's way up there. Yeah. Well, let me get some pics and I'll get you guys a pickup. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's get a pickup. Yeah. Pretty good size one too. Awesome. Look at that third, it's pretty way up there. There for a minute. Nice. Let's work my way back to the truck. See if we can try to match him up real quick and see if we can find some bull. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh yeah, not bad. Tim's gonna display his. Yeah, look at that one, man. That's a chunky one.
Nice 7.
Yeah. Damn, light complected one.
Bloody bases make happy faces. Oh yeah.
Yeah. It's awesome. Tim came up with 2. Yeah. Ah. Not bad. This monster I picked up first. Man, oh man. Almost walked by it, man. I was like, oh. So got blood on it. Bloody bases make happy faces. Oh yeah. Yeah. This guy came up. Or no, that. Found this guy tines down. Some rags. Yeah. It's a crazy one right here. The bird, I mean the head goes bend it backwards. Awesome. Pretty heavy though. And the guy thick, densed. It's crazy. Yeah. Last one I picked up right here. Working my way back to the truck. It's awesome. Yeah. Thank you guys again for following along. Today is April 23rd, Tuesday. Me and Tim hit it pretty good today again. Did pretty good. 6 browns. No set, so we might be able to come back in here and try to match some of these up. If not, stay tuned. We still got a lot more shed videos coming to you guys' way. A lot more outlet to pick up. So thanks again. You guys have a blessed evening.